This is Ultraloq UL3BT 2nd generation, a Bluetooth-enabled fingerprint and touchscreen smart lever lock designed to be real keyless. With features like fingerprint identification, it is an excellent solution for everyone. Forget about calling the locksmith or replacing keys. An anti-peep touchscreen that allows you to enter a security code embedded in a random group of numbers. Ultraloq UL3BT 2nd generation has Bluetooth connectivity that will allow you to pair it with your smartphone running iOS or Android. This way you'll be able to unlock your door using the smartphone app. With the app and Ultraloq Bridge, you'll have even more possibilities. If you have an Airbnb, you can share temporary e-keys and set codes for specific dates and times. Manage users and check the log record of who has entered from anywhere you are. And one more option to unlock it is with your Apple Watch for keyless access. Ultraloq UL3BT 2nd generation has an auto lock function, so your security can never be forgotten. The touchscreen display and the app will guide you through the process of managing users, as well as setting passage or lockout mode. With passage mode, the lock will remain open for free access. With lockout mode, your lock can only be operated manually by the mechanical key. In case the batteries die, just use the backup keys to open it as any other lock. And this peace of mind takes just minutes to install. Bridge and IFTTT integration syncs your Ultraloq with the rest of your smart home, and you can use voice commands with your smart speaker. Ultraloq UL3BT 2nd generation, a smart lever lock with amazing capabilities, ready to work with your door.
Welcome to Lockly's Secure Smart Lock installation video. Open the Lockly Smart Lock box and carefully remove the components. First, you need to prepare your door. Please review step 1 of the installation manual and measure the door to make sure everything is correct. The half-inch hole on the top is for stabilizing the lock. We recommend you to drill this hole. However, if you do not want to drill a hole into your door, we have supplied 3M double-sided tape to help secure your new lock in place. Step 2. Adjusting the bolt. You can toggle button A located on the bolt to extend the bolt between 2 3/4 and 2 3/8 of an inch in order to fit your door. When correctly installed, the plus sign in the door should be in the center of the hole. Step 3. Extending the bolt. Use a Phillips screwdriver to turn clockwise and extend the bolt fully out as if a door was locked. Make sure that this side-up sticker is above the position of the plus mark. Use the supplied screws to secure the bolt in place into the door. Step 4. Preparing the exterior assembly. This rod is used if you drilled a hole into your door. If a hole was not drilled, you may remove this rod by turning counterclockwise. Assemble the following pieces as shown. Step 5. Installing the exterior assembly. Insert the exterior assembly with the torque blade through the bolt by passing the torque blade vertically through the bolt. Make sure when you are doing this step, the bolt is still fully extended out. Pass the cable underneath the bolt through the center hole of the back plate and push it into the side hole. Depending on your door's thickness, you can secure the door using different screws on the top. Secure additionally by screwing the 2 screws on the bottom. Make sure the lock is secured tightly by attempting to move the lock. You can then use the physical key to unlock and lock the door and make sure the locking bolt works smoothly. Step 6. Installing the interior assembly. Connect the cable to the interior piece of the lock by matching the red face of the connector to the socket marked in red. Make sure the cable is securely installed into the socket. Push the thumb turn shaft into the torque blade to complete the process. Step 7. Securely Lockly. Secure the interior piece to the mount by screwing in the 2 following screws. Make sure your thumb turn is facing vertically up and the bolt is still fully extended. Step 8. Installing batteries. Install 3 of the batteries included with your smart lock. Press and hold the program button located on the inside of the lock beneath the batteries, then install the 4th battery while continuing to hold the program button. You'll hear a series of beeps and Lockly will attempt to turn the bolt. This process is very critical to help determine whether your door swings right or swings left. Step 9. Finishing installation. Install the door strike to your door frame to complete your installation. Make sure you test the fitment of the lock by closing the door and locking and unlocking the door from the inside.
Hi, here's the Geek Smart LB201 Smart Lock, featuring fingerprint unlock, mechanical lock, one-touch unlock, and Ultraloq. Now let's take a look at what's inside the LB201. So, first of all, it comes with a manual, so don't worry about installation, it's everything in here. It comes with all of the necessary parts for installation inside this little box. In here we have the strike plates and some installation things and screws. We have some rubber gaskets to protect your door. It comes with a mechanical key and a USB charger, just in case. Here we have the lock itself. We have the exterior side featuring a fingerprint unlock. If you want to open it with a key, here's the key entry. here's the interior lock, featuring a button here, which activates the free entry passage mode. Alright, so let's go ahead and install the LB200. First, we want to take the latch and install it into the door. Just like so. We want to screw in the latch with these wooden screws, these wood screws. There we go. The latch is now inserted into the door. As you can see here, there are 4 connecting screws on the exterior handle. Go ahead and fit them into the latch. As you can see, the connecting screws all fit through the latch. Now we want to go ahead and put the interior handle into the door. But before we continue, we want to take this wire here and connect it to that wire there. When the wire is correctly connected, you should hear a little zzz on the other side of the handle. Go ahead and hide the wiring inside the latch and the door handle. There we go. And insert the door handle into the latch and the other handle side. There we go. We want to go and take these connecting screws and fasten the door handle to the door. Let's go and insert it here. Let's go top one, and we got the bottom one here to connect, to fasten the screws. There we go. The door should now be correctly installed into your door. To check if it is correctly installed, go ahead and turn the exterior handle. That is the handle with the fingerprint scanner. As you can see, the latch does not retract. Good. Let's try and open from the interior. As we can see, the latch does retract. Good. So the cool thing about the LB200 is, in case it runs out of power, of course, replace the batteries. But in case it runs out of power, there is a place where you can recharge for emergency use. So, bring your trusty power bank and a recharging cord here, a USB cord. By the way, this is a mini USB cord, so it works with mini USB. There we go. We can recharge. There we go. And it's charged. To set up an admin, take the pin that we included in the box and press the hole here.
Add administrator fingerprint. Please place your finger.
You'll be asked to place your finger here.
Please place your finger again.
Again.
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 Please place your finger again.
And again.
Addition success.
The first admin is set up. The first 2 fingerprints that you register will be admin fingerprints. The next one will be normal users.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.